the B, the C, the 2, the C.
Hi everyone. Today's a review on the Swiss Army knife. If you know what that is, there, catch a color, it'd be quite useful in the comments or whatever. Yeah, so you can see it's quite a nice knife. So I'm gonna start with the tweezers. Tweezers are quite good in emergency situations, obviously. You've got something stuck in your skin or whatever, they're quite good, you know. Made of metal. They're not pointy though, they're just flat, but they're still quite good. So yeah. Toothpick. We're not toothpicking. It's made of plastic, so handle carefully, you would say. Otherwise, you got a large blade. The most interesting part of this thing. So you can see it properly, I don't know. It's quite nice, sharp. Yeah. Cap lifter with wire stripper and screwdriver, cap lifter, and this is wire stripper. To use it, basically put it at a 90 angle degrees. You pick out your big blade, you put your wire there, then you put it down, and you just kind of turn so it cuts the wire a bit. Then once that's done, you can see the small dent there. You just put your wire there and you force it down and you just pull on it. Yeah, basically that's all. Afterwards, so after I've got the scissors, so quite good ones actually. Yeah, I can show you quickly. They cut really sharp. Just warning you now. They cut extremely sharp. Nice ones. You have the small blade. This is the small blade, so yeah, it's smaller. You can see. You got a keyring to put on the keys or whatever. Reamer and punch, so it's let me find it. This tiny thing there. Let me get it out. This thing. The reamer and punch. Yeah, it's to make holes basically, I think. Anyway, on those Swiss knives, as you know, there's a corkscrew. There you go, for wine bottles. Otherwise, okay, yeah. Multi-purpose hook. So I'll show you that and I'll explain to you. The multi-purpose hook is this thing. Wait, let me get it out. This thing there. So, can be used as a parcel carrier. If I put down something, I hold it like that and I put it up. For climbing, for apparently someone used it to put his hammock on. Anyway, and obviously the last thing is the can opener. This one. That's not this one. There you go. The can opener with a small screwdriver there. Yeah, anyway, that's basically it, you know. Hope you enjoyed and see you next time for other videos. Ciao, bye.